Hey everyone, my name is Malikaa Marathe and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a math challenge, the sixes challenge. So we can use any of these operators in between these numbers and somehow bring the value to 6. Let's get started. So there are some of these which are super easy and some of them are not so easy. So I'm going to start from 0, go all the way up to 9. So an important thing to note before we start is that 0 factorial equals to 1. So that really helps because, how else are you supposed to bring this equal to 6, right? So we're going to kind of use that. Let's do this. 0 factorial, so now we have 1. Let's make all of these 1, right? And now we can just, what we do to 1, 1, 1, 1 to bring the value to 6, if we add them up together, you get 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. And then we're going to use the brackets here, and then, so that we get 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is nothing but 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. Perfect. Now let's go ahead to 1. We're going to use the same strategy that we used with 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, and then brackets and factorial. So same way, 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. That's how you get to the answer. Now 2. This is one of the easiest, I think. Just add them up. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 3. This is also pretty straightforward. Let's do 3 times 3, which is 9, and subtract 3. Now there can be more than one way to approach any of these problems, but this is just one of them. Now with 4, this may seem a bit tricky, but if you see, the square root of 4 equals 2. And we can use a similar strategy that we used here after we find the square root of 4. So root 4, root 4, root 4, and then add them up because we have 2 and 2 and 2. So root 4 plus root 4 plus root 4 equals 6. For 5, we can, if we divide 5 by 5, we get 1. And then if we add 5 to it, we get 6. So let's do that. 5 over 5, which is 1. Plus 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. Now 6 is also super easy. You can just add and subtract. 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 6 is 6. With 7, we can do something similar to what we did with 5, except use, so let's see, we can, let's see, if we divide 7 over 7, this is 1, and 7 minus 7 over 7, be sure to put the brackets here because broad mass would mean 7 minus 7, 0 over 7, which would give us 6. Now this 8 one is really interesting. So what you want to do is you want to add up these 8 and 8, which is 16, and then 16 is a perfect square. So if we find the square root of 16, we get 4. What we're going to do is we're going to find the square root of 4 again. So that's the square root of 4 is 2. And then this becomes easy. 8 minus 2 gives us 6. Perfect. So now we're on the last one. Notice that 9 is also a square root, a perfect square. So square root of 9 is 3. I'm going to do just that. And then we have, so now we can just treat all of these as 3's and use the same strategy we used here. So root 9 times root 9 minus root 9 would give us 6. So yay, we have completed the sixes challenge. If you enjoyed this, feel free to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.